equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a new compatible panel. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 for safety. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Carefully lift the back panel off. You may notice some dust inside. Use the soft cloth to clean the internal components gently. This ensures optimal performance. Now, inspect the old panel for any damage. If it's cracked or unresponsive, it's time for a replacement. Take your new panel and align it with the connectors. Press firmly to ensure a secure fit. Replace the back panel and screw it back in place. Make sure all screws are tightened properly. Once assembled, plug in your Thermomix. Test the new panel to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Always get a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.